Tell to them thank you for subscribing the channel, our channel.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hello guys, I'm back again. I just want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel, and to those who not yet, please subscribe. Okay guys, for today's videos, I just want to share you how to restore the sounds of your smartphone if you are having problems about that. So I have this phone of my husband before. I accidentally fell it down in the water when I was diving, so we couldn't fix it, and it's been stuck in the cabinet. It's been a long time, so I just want to share you guys. Maybe you guys have experienced some things, so it will help you as well, and I'm sure that it will help you. Okay, so my son wanted to say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, and then I just want Mama will share to them how to fix the phone. Remember, the phone of Abba is not working anymore. Nakon?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, can we start it now? Can we start it? Tell them to say thank you first. Tell to them to say thank you.
Tita.
No, tell to them thank you for subscribing the channel, our channel.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay, you wanna say bye bye because Mommy gonna
Bye
share to
bye.
them.
Say.
Wanna help you guys. I hope that it will help you. Okay, I just wanna share you now. By the way, guys, I just wanna tell you why I speak in English and not Tagalog, because I have some friend here that's subscribing that they don't speak Tagalog. So, and they know naman that we Filipinos, they speak English. So, I rather to speak English for them. I hope you guys understand. You're so funny. His mom is funny?
Okay.
Really?
Okay.
No way. Can you give me a kiss? I love you.
Hello.
Say bye. Hi guys, so this is the phone. This phone, there is no sounds in the YouTube, and also I can play music, and I can even hear the incoming calls and outgoing calls. So because of this icon at the top, as you can see, there's an icon here. So that's the reason why I can't hear nothing. There's no sounds at all. So I keep trying, but not possible. So like for example, this one I open on the YouTube here. Wait, okay. You see, you can't hear nothing. Wait a minute. Okay, I put in the higher volume. Still there is no sounds. That's not good. So what I did is, wait a minute. If I put the headset, yeah, there is sound. Yeah, like that. If I remove it, you can't hear nothing. So what I did is, yesterday I found some solution. I downloaded this disable headphones in my Play Store. Okay, I already downloaded. So I open this one, and if you can see, there's a headphone and speaker. So it's turned to speaker. Let's get out from here and let's go back. Okay, let's play. Yes. Let's see how is it work. You know how I'm happy I am. So now, as you can see, there is sounds. Oh my god, I'm so happy, guys. I hope it will help you guys, for those who have experienced same way like my phone. It helps a lot. Maybe next time regarding about this icon. Wait a minute, maybe next time regarding about this icon. I don't know yet how to remove this one, but for now it helps a lot. It helps a lot. This a headset. No, this a speaker mode. Yeah, to disable the headphone. Yeah, I can hear phone calls. I can hear music as well. Yeah, you see, guys. Wow, that's so nice. For now, I'm just gonna keep this one because my husband bought already his phone. Oh, that's so nice. I hope you guys like it. So guys, I hope this video of mine will help you for a case like this, and as well for the future you already have some idea how to fix it. So guys, bye for now, and please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.